This time, I would like to share with you the urban legend of the supersonic spaceship. The mysteries of the universe and the unknown beings hidden in its vast space are... It has attracted people's interest since ancient times. Among them, the urban legend of sightings of supersonic spacecraft. In recent years, it has been passed down among many astronomical love effects and UFO researchers. It's being noticed. A spacecraft traveling at supersonic speeds. Although not theoretically practical with current technology, that the sightings have been received all over the world. It makes this urban legend even more mysterious. A supersonic spacecraft is, as indicated by its name, it means a vehicle capable of traveling faster than the speed of sound, which is roughly 340 meters per second, or 1,225 kilometers per hour in Earth's atmosphere, but in outer space, it mostly varies. Since it is in the state of sound doesn't get through, therefore the expression that a spacecraft exceeds the speed of sound it's a repurposed concept in the Earth's atmosphere. In other words, it is more appropriate to think of it as a ship traveling through outer space at a speed comparable to some of the high speed. However, in modern science and technology, it is almost impossible to travel through outer space at a speed close to the law. This is despite the fact that even the maximum speed achievable by Earth technology is only tens of thousands of kilometers, and the existence of supersonic spacecraft is considered theoretically difficult. Numerous individuals report having seen it. Sightings of supersonic spacecraft. Sightings of supersonic spacecraft. It has been reported around the world, especially in Area 51 in Nevada, USA, and the Amazon region of Brazil, around Stone Reply in England, etc. There tends to be a lot of reports in mysterious places, the witnesses in common. He testified that he saw a mass of light crossing the night sky at an unusually fast speed. For instance, in one reported sighting, it is said that a pale light crossed the night sky in an instant, and then an after-image-like trail of light remained for several seconds. Similarly, other observers, he testified that he saw an object with a shape like an airplane suddenly disappear. These reports are disseminated among UFO enthusiasts and urban legend aficionados. It reached a wider audience through social media platforms. The scientific prospects of supersonic spacecraft. From a scientific point of view, the realization of spacecraft that travel beyond the speed of sound in outer space comes with several challenges. Energy issues. Supersonic. In order to travel at even near high speed, a colossal energy supply is necessary. With the propellant used in contemporary spacecraft, it is difficult to maintain speeds exceeding tens of thousands of kilometers h, and it also requires a huge amount of space for its fuel supply. Meet part of the regulations. 2. Advanced technologies such as fusion and antimatter energy are imperative. These technologies are still in the research stage. It hasn't materialized. Acceleration problem. Even if a huge amount of energy is supplied, accelerating a spacecraft comes with another difficulty. If a human is on board, must consider the acceleration time to reach high speed. Rapid acceleration has a fatal effect on the human body. Thus, a gradual speed increase is required, which contradicts the concept of a supersonic spaceship. Constraints of relativity. According to Einstein's theory of special relativity, as the object approaches high speed, its mass increases. It is said that infinite energy will be required. This theory, as long as it is correct, it is impossible for an object to move at high speed. Thus, even if supersonic spaceships exist, it means that there are theoretical limits to moving at speeds close to the law. Basis and spread of urban legends. The myth surrounding the supersonic spaceship, media and movies. It is said that it spread due to the influence of TV shows. In particular, high-speed spaceships that appear in SF movies and dramas capture the imagination of the general public. It is thought that it gave birth to the belief that it actually existed. In addition, information on the internet. The spread has played a role in the spread of this urban legend. On video sharing sites such as SNS and YouTube, eyewitness reports and video evidence, purported to support its existence, are quickly published, leading many to believe in its reality. There are also suspicions that there may be classified information and secret projects published by NASA and the Russian Space Agency. This contributes to the legend's influence. In particular, Area 51 in the United States and speculation about unexplained Russian military installations has engendered conspiracy theories that the government was hiding something. It is often associated with sightings of supersonic spacecraft, relationship between spacecraft sightings and natural phenomena. Many of the actual sightings, we know that it can be explained by natural phenomena. For example, the light generated when a meteor or satellite re-enters the atmosphere is, sometimes it looks like a mass of light moving at very high speed. Also, when yellowtail falls toward the surface due to the Earth's gravity in space, it may appear to witnesses to be an unusually fast-moving object. In addition, the aurora and plasma phenomena occurring in the night sky are also mysterious light like a supersonic spaceship. It may be perceived as moving light. These phenomena are puzzling to ordinary observers without advanced physics knowledge. It is often reported as an abnormal phenomenon. Scientists' view of sightings. Scientists takes a cautious view of such sightings, in many cases, natural phenomena and human illusions. It is even thought to be due to psychological effects. For example, the reflection of light in the night sky or special refraction phenomena in the atmosphere can make it appear as if an object is moving at an abnormal speed. Also psychologically, believing that you saw something unusual in the night sky, it is sometimes viewed as a type of mirage or fantasy, particularly individuals frequently exposed to UFO and supersonic spacecraft-related topics. It tends to make it easier to see the illusions associated with it. By integrating these elements, there is a high possibility that the urban legend of sightings of supersonic spacecraft was born. Conclusion: the urban legend of sightings of supersonic spacecraft is, although thought extremely improbable from a scientific viewpoint, despite that, it boasts deep-rooted popularity. It remains unclear what the witnesses saw. Many of them are thought to be due to natural phenomena or psychological illusions. Nevertheless, this urban legend continues to arouse people's interest and mystery in the universe. It stimulates scientific curiosity to explore the unknown. How about it? Was it? Thank you for subscribing to the channel.